Hey you guys, what's up? So first I'm taking this Trestique Line Sharpen and Smudge Eye Pencil. This is in the shade Santorini Black Sand. And I'm just going to line my eyes and then smudge this out with the smudger that it has built in. Now we're going in with the Ace Beauty Falling For You palette. I'm going to take the deepest shade in that palette and just smoke this out. Now I'm taking the lighter purple in the palette and we are just going to get lighter and lighter as we move upwards. And then finishing off with the orange in the palette. And as you guys can see, I'm keeping that smoked out, blown out portion towards the back of the eye. I'm not bringing it around towards the front. We're going to give our lashes a coat of this Trestique mascara, and I really like this mascara because it's got a curler built into the lid. Now we're going in with the Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow in the shade French Vanilla, and I'm just taking that on a fan brush and just kind of placing that towards the lower portion of my inner corner. Now I'm applying some Bevel and Diamond lashes, and that is the final look. Remember to live life in color, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.